Acne Blackhead Removal Deep Cleaning Combo Treatment Transformation. One problem is enough. But sometimes, your skin faces two at the same time, acne and blackheads, different causes, different textures, same frustration. In today's treatment, we are removing both acne and blackheads in one complete deep cleaning session, and the transformation is powerful. Understanding the combo problem. Blackheads form from oil, dirt, dead skin buildup. Acne forms from clogged pores, bacteria, inflammation. When both exist together, the skin becomes congested, uneven, irritated. Why it gets worse, if not treated properly. Blackheads keep clogging pores. Acne becomes more inflamed, skin texture worsens. This creates a continuous cycle. Step 1. Gentle deep cleansing. We begin with cleansing, to remove surface oil and dirt. This prepares the skin for deeper treatment. Step 2. Steam preparation. Steam opens the pores and softens buildup. This step is important for both acne and blackheads. Step 3. Blackhead extraction. We start with blackheads. Clogged pores are cleared, one by one. This reduces pressure inside the skin. Step 4. Acne extraction, main intense moment. Now we move to acne. This step requires extra care. Inflamed areas are treated gently, to release buildup without damaging the skin. Step 5. Full area cleaning. Both acne and blackheads are removed across the affected areas. This ensures cleaner pores, reduced congestion, smoother texture. Step 6. Skin soothing recovery. After extraction, the skin is calmed. Soothing treatment reduces redness and helps the skin recover. Step 7. Skin balancing. Hydration restores balance and helps control oil production. This prevents future breakouts. Final transformation. Before, acne, blackheads, clogged pores. After, clean, calm, smoother skin, a complete transformation. Final message. Skin problems don't always come alone, but when you treat them together, the results are stronger. If you enjoyed this acne and blackhead combo treatment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.